Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another PR package here from Madam Glam. They let me choose 4 colors of the new collection for this month for June. It's called House of Color. So I just want to show the box here. Yeah, I just put on cuticle oil, so a little bit got on the box. I was trying to wipe it off. So yeah, this is their socials here, and they are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21 formula, or 21 free formula, and then HEMA-free. So Madam Glam is having a shopping event June 13th and 14th, and with my code you'll be able to save 50%. So this is just like getting the VIP price. So if you've been wanting to try Madam Glam, this is a perfect opportunity. So for 2 days, and you'll be able to save 50% off June 13th and 14th. Absolutely amazing. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get into the colors here. Oh my gosh, these are just gorgeous. Look at these. Ah, so pretty, so summery. I always love the box with the padding there. All right, so we're gonna take a look at the colors here. First one we have is this very pretty turquoisey color. It's called Gemini's Heart. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this color, how gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. And then this one is called The Star. And it's a very pretty yellow. Look at this yellow, how gorgeous. So pretty. And then this next one is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely one of my favorites. It's called Eternal Bliss. Look at this purple. Oh my gosh. Definitely perfect summer purple. Look at this. Oh, it's just gorgeous. And then this pink too. Oh, look at this bright pink. How pretty. Pink Madness. Look at this color, you guys. Look at this, how perfect. Perfect summer pink. Oh, these colors are just gorgeous. So I did already go ahead and swatch these, because I've already swatched tons of Madam Glam polishes in the past. Like I said, I am VIP, so I've gotten quite a few polishes. They're so creamy and gorgeous and pigmented. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this is called The Star. And look at that, how pretty this yellow is. And then we have Gemini's Heart. Look at this. Oh, this is gorgeous. These are all 2 coats, and then the Madam Glam No Wipe top coat. And then we have Eternal Bliss. Oh, I just love this purple. And then we have Pink Madness. Look at this. Look at this pink, how gorgeous. Alright, so these are the gorgeous colors here. So I'm going to go ahead and decide what I'm going to do for my nail set, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I decided that I wanted to make some charms. I used to make charms a lot. And so yeah, I just decided these were super cute colors, and I wanted to do some flowers and a butterfly. So I'm just gonna take the yellow, The Star, that's the shade, and I'm just gonna be filling in this little butterfly here. I'm just gonna do one, and I do it by layers. I'm taking the dotting tool and I'm just going to layer, you know, thin little layers, and then I do cure each layer for 90 seconds. That's what works for me. So I did do a couple layers, and these molds are so nice and flexible. I like these ones a lot. The butterfly just came right out, and so now I'm just going to be adding some color on the wings. So you can see up in the corner up there, there's a mold up there. They're the harder kind of thick molds. The flowers, I was able to do quite a few flowers, but then I think after you do it about 2 or 3 times, then it's like the molds aren't good anymore because the flowers were not coming out, they were breaking. See, they're all stuck in there. So then I found another mold that I have, and that's what you're going to see next. You're going to see me using a different flower mold. Yeah, it's so frustrating, and this mold too started doing that. You'll see that, and I'll talk about that later on. And so you might be confused as to why I'm saying, oh, I hope this comes out again. So that's why I'm just telling you. I didn't want to leave all that other part in because the video would have been way too long. But so yeah, I don't know if you used the molds a couple times, they're not good anymore, I'm not sure. But like I said, the one with the butterfly, it's so flexible and nice. I mean, that one you can use over and over and over, but these little ones they're real hard. So yeah, this is the little mold there, and they're super cute flowers. They're so round and just really cute. So I'm just filling in the middle of the flower with the yellow, and I just try to make it as round as I can. If there's anything sticking out, I'll just wipe it away. And anytime I do any kind of mold, I do cure the polish for 90 seconds. Like I said, that just works for me to do 90 seconds and to do thin layers. This mold's pretty thin, so you only needed to go in, I only had to go in twice. So, but yeah, like I said, 90 seconds seems to work pretty good. So yes, we're just gonna continue here with these flowers. I'm just gonna use the colors that I have, and I just absolutely love these colors. They're just so bright and pretty. I was just messing around, on a nail, trying to come out, with a design, and then I just thought, well, I want to make some charms. So yeah, I really like these flowers. They came out super cute. Right, so let's see if these come out. I'm scared. See, when you do them the first time, they come out. Oh, they're super thin though. Oh my god, these ones are cute. They're more round. I hope I can do more. I'm gonna try to fill up this whole thing. Yeah, look at that. How cute. Oh, I love it. Alright, so I'm just gonna, hopefully I'm able to do more. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue making these, just put in all the different colors and fill it up, and then I should have enough, because yeah, I like these the rounder ones. Those are cute. Alright, so here are all the flowers here that I'm going to be using. Like I said, I couldn't finish because towards, I think after about the third time, they were starting to break. So yeah, I think they just get worn out, just the material they're made out of. But yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started with the set. Alright, so I already put on my full cover tips, and we're gonna go in with the Madam Glam base coat. I'm just gonna apply base coat to all the nails, and we're gonna cure that for 30 seconds. So I'm going in with Gemini's Heart, and I'm going to be applying this to the pinky. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting each color on, a different finger. This color is so pretty. Oh, I just love it. It's just a beautiful turquoise. I notice it matches my shirt that I was wearing. It's been cold here in California. I'm like, it was rain last night. It's been cloudy. I'm like, where is summer? Usually it's in the hundreds, 90s, hundreds already. So we're gonna go in with Eternal Bliss, and we're gonna be putting this on the ring finger. So I'm gonna be doing 2 coats. I'm just gonna show the first coat on camera. So then I do cure each coat for 30 seconds. But yeah, it's like, where's summer? It's just absolutely crazy. So yeah, I had a long sleeve shirt on because I was doing this kind of late at night and I was kind of cold. So I have my long sleeve shirt on. I love these little cotton pointed things from Temu. I think I saw these on Just Nikki and I had to get them. They're amazing for cleanup. So on the middle finger, I decided to use Cream Donut. I absolutely love this color. I think you guys have seen this when I do stamping. I usually use this as a background because to me it's perfect. Sometimes you don't want white, you know, it's just too bright. So this is just, I think it's the perfect background color. So I wanted to do something different on the middle finger. So yeah, I'm gonna apply, I think actually Cream Donut, I applied 3 coats of this because I wanted it to be really opaque. And then I did cure each coat for 30 seconds. But yeah, this color is just, I think it's perfect for every skin tone. It's just the perfect beige color. I just absolutely love it. And I think I'm getting pretty low. I'm gonna have to order another one because I use this one a lot. And then we're gonna go with Pink Madness on the index finger. These colors are just so gorgeous and they just go so well together. The whole collection is just absolutely beautiful. I have 2 months saved up as, you know, credit, so I'm trying to see if I'm gonna get the rest of the collection or what I'm gonna do because there's just so many beautiful colors to choose from. But I just wanted something bright and fun. And then we're gonna go in with the star on the middle, or excuse me, on the thumb. This yellow too is just, oh, it's so pretty. So yeah, I remember in some of my other videos I said I needed yellows. So now I have three yellows from Madam Glam, and I just love it because you never know when you're gonna need yellow. Even for flowers, if you're drawing flowers, you know, you like to use yellow. And so yeah, I think yellow's a good color to have, and this one is just so pretty. Definitely good for summer. It's not neon and it's not pale. It's like a perfect, like a lemon yellow to me. I just love it. Alright, so I cured all those, and I'm going to go in with the Madam Glam No Wipe Top Coat. I'm just going to put that on the pinky, ring, index, and thumb. I'm not going to put that on the middle finger because you'll see what I'm going to do on the middle finger. So I did a coat of that and I cured it for 30 seconds. And now I'm just going to put a little dot of each color on my palette here. And so what I'm going to do on the middle finger is I'm just going to do polka dots all over the nail. I just really wanted to show, try to use all the colors as much as I could, and I don't know, I just thought it would be really cute with polka dots against, like I said, against that cream donut. Just such a pretty color. So yeah, that's all I'm going to be doing is just alternating, you know, colors and just putting polka dots all over that whole nail. And look at that, how cute. Oh, this would be a cute like cupcake ice cream set. I think I might do that. I don't know, I have so much stuff I want to do. So many sets. But on the ring finger, we're gonna go ahead and put that butterfly that I made there. I just thought it looked cute against the purple. And then the rest of the fingers I'm gonna be putting my little flowers that I made on. And I did go ahead and top coat the middle finger, I just didn't show that. And then for some reason it didn't show me putting the other flower on the index finger. I did end up putting 2 flowers and it didn't show it. I don't know what happened, but But yeah, I think these colors just, oh, they just all go so good together, and they're just so bright. Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, I enjoy these polishes so much. And here's the finished set. I think it came out really cute and bright and colorful. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for giving me the opportunity to try these polishes. Like I said, they're absolutely amazing. I love Madam Glam. Don't forget about the sale, June 13th and 14th. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Bye.